Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Piedmont local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right experienced long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot simpler. No matter how far you want to relocate, our professional team of movers will make it a lot simpler. The best moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you require for your upcoming relocation. We handle all the required moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary originally. However, if you start to notice the benefits, the expense seems well worth it. You are going to certainly save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Movers can also ensure you don't have to handle any of the heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move super easy. 3Movers understands how to improve your move. A move that may take you all weekend to complete, we can deal with in just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Piedmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.